Hey guys, hope you're doing well. I'm here in Indonesia, still on the secret island here, and behind me there's a beautiful mountain, and I still have to hike it, maybe another day. But for today, I wanted to make a small video because I get a lot of messages telling me like, I mean, how did you learn to code? How to learn it? What's the best way? And I always answer the same question: is get your hands dirty. Get your hands dirty. Because people they ask me, okay, when they want to learn to code, they have in mind, what's the best resource? Give me the best website. Give me the best YouTube channels. But these are give me the best boot camps. But these are the wrong questions. These are the wrong questions. Why? Because how to learn it is by getting your hands dirty, by doing project. And these YouTube channels and I don't know, like websites, these are only tools to help you learn it. These are not these are not like uh, tools to learn it. It's to help you learn, help you to learn to code, and that's how you're gonna learn it, by doing project. And I wanted to give you a small example of how you would do a project, because I know you're telling me, probably gonna tell me, okay, but I mean, we already know this, but we're stuck, or we don't know how to start. We don't know. We're like we are stuck. We can't advance in the project. And so that's what I want to do today, is to give you a small example of a project that if I would learn to code, I would do it, to learn. I give you an example of a project and how, when you get stuck, how to solve your problem. So let's say, for example, you want to start a project. Start with something easy, even only a calculator, or even just a counter. You can start with anything. Just start with something easy. So let's say, for example, I want to start a calculator. What I'm gonna do is, first of all, I'm gonna start with what I know. And there's no problem if you don't know everything before you start, because people, they want the solution from when they start. That's the wrong way. You're not gonna have the whole solution, even in your career. When you're gonna join a company, you're gonna I don't know, join a startup. That's not how you're gonna learn it. You're not gonna learn and have the whole solution right away. You're gonna learn by figuring out by yourself, by using tools to figure out the solution. And that's what I was saying before. These are only tools, like, yeah, I don't know, free code camp, 3W school, YouTube channels. These are only tools. So when you're gonna start your to join a company, you're gonna have to figure it out by your own, and learn, and start to learn by using the same method. Start a project, get stuck, solve your problems. That's how it is. It's really simple, but people are afraid to start, and that's how you do it. So, for example, let's continue with the calculator app. I'm probably gonna start. Let's say I just started to learn to code. I probably know like HTML, CSS, and a little bit of JavaScript, but I don't really understand well JavaScript, and it's a little bit difficult for me. So I'm gonna start with the design, me personally, because I'm better for design. Let's say, example, I just know HTML, CSS, and a little bit of JavaScript. So I'm gonna start with making the calculator, putting the HTML, the CSS, the styling, everything. And then when I'm finished with this part, I'm gonna start to implement the logic, like adding the JavaScript and the logic to it. So how I'm gonna do it? Now I'm stuck. I finished the design, it was easy, and now I'm stuck in the in the logic part. So what I'm gonna do is ask the good questions. I'm seeing a calculator. What I want to do is, I want the user to click buttons, and then to calculate to click an operation. I don't know, add or subtract or something, and then showing the answer. So what I'm gonna ask him, like, a question: how can I detect the user click? How can I detect what the user clicked? And you're probably gonna learn event listener. So you're gonna let's say you're using JavaScript, you're gonna learn that to detect the user, you can use event listener. So the click one, and then you get the value. How do I get the value from the click of the user? And then after that, let's say you store the value in variables. And then after that, I'm gonna ask a question. Okay, and then how can I detect the operation? It's gonna be the same stuff, because how you detect the number, you're gonna detect the operation the same way. Then after that, now you're stuck. Okay, I get the answers. And I store them in variables. Let's say you have a variable for first number, second number, and operation, and you store them. Now you're gonna say, okay, how can I have a function that addition, like that's taking the two numbers and with the with the operation, and then doing the calculation, and then you're gonna learn how to put arguments in a function, let's say, and then you're gonna return the final answer. Let's say you have a variable for final answer, and then after that you're gonna say, okay, how can I show the answer in the calculator, I don't know, answer panel or answer screen, I don't know how you call it. And then so you just have to ask the good question. Obviously it's not going to be that easy for you maybe when you're going to start, because that's going to be your first project. But what I just want to show you is that you have to learn with project, asking the good questions and using the resources that you taught before. That's how you're going to learn it. That with these resources you're going to learn to code. No, you use these resources to get you like unstuck, like to solve your problem, to continue with your project. And that's how you build, that's how you're gonna learn. Project, start a project, get stuck, use resources to solve your problem, and continue and just continue this way. And later you're gonna add some more functionality to your calculator app, or make a new app more complex. And that's how you do it, guys. And I really want to emphasize on it, because there is still a lot of people wasting like hours watching YouTube videos, tutorials, project. You can start, maybe if example you want to start React, you can start with a small crash course. There is no problem, just to get like the basic, like the real basics, just to how to start my app, like the real basic stuff. And then just start to code. People, they want to learn React and advanced React concept by watching videos. No, that's wrong. That's wrong. You learn by doing project. So that is guys, that's the video I wanted to make, and I hope this is gonna help a lot of people. And if you still have some questions, if you still don't figure out, you want to have a project idea to start, send me a message or put it in the comment. And that's it, guys. I don't know where you're gonna see the video, maybe on LinkedIn or on YouTube, but just put a like, put a comment, I don't know, share. I don't know how to do this. That's my first video actually. I think that I'm gonna put it on YouTube, but yeah, I don't know, I'm gonna see. So yeah, guys, I'm still on my secret island here in Indonesia. I don't think no one gonna be able to find me, but if you want to try it. So yeah, take care, guys. Goodbye.